One more time, breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. And slowly breathe out. Patanjali Namana. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Just watch your breath. Scan your whole body. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. And slowly open your eyes. Let us start in Shashankasana. Again, keep your blankets with you. Drop your forehead down, stretch the hands out. Inhale, look up between the hands. Exhale, tuck your toes in and push back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Heels down, tighten the legs, push the hips back. Push your head towards the mat. Back is open, shoulder blades moving outwards. Again, lift your head up, look between the hands, inhale. And as you exhale, Shashankasana, drop your knees down, forehead down. From here, keep the hands fully stretched. Walk your hands to the right side as much as you can. Twisting the arms to the right side. Walk the fingertips forward. Try to drop your forehead down. And pull the left arm as much as you can. Keep breathing. Keep walking the fingertips away from you. Push the hips back. Inhale, walk the hands back to center. And slowly move to the left side again. Stretch the arms out. Pull the fingertips forward as much as possible. Forehead down. Push the hips back. Feel the sides of the body stretching. Keep walking the fingertips forward. Keep breathing. Inhale, come back to center. Keep your hands there, spread the fingers, press the palms, tuck your toes in, and from here, push back to Adho Mukha. In Adho Mukha, we lift the heels up and drop the knees slightly, push the hips back, head will come down a little lower. Again, inhale, and as you exhale, straighten the legs, press the heels, keep moving the head down. You're trying to reach the head on the mat. Push the hips back and up. We'll do this 3 more times. Lift your head up, inhale, bend the knees, push the hips back. Exhale, Adho Mukha, heels down. Pushing the chest in, straightening the arms, keep the arms strong. Again, lift your head up, inhale, bend your knees, push the hips back, keeping the hips back and up slowly. Straighten your legs, lift your toes off the mat, head is moving towards the mat. One last time, lift your heels up, bend your knees, head up, look between the hands, inhale. On the exhale, come back to Adho Mukha. Press the heels, keep the hips back, and slowly inhale to Urdhva Mukha. All the way forward, chest open, press the hands firmly, both arms fully engaged, hips down. You can keep your knees down but tuck your toes in. Again, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. 3 more arms. Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. Last round. Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. Sit back again in Shashantasana. From here, walk your hands back and come to Uttanasana. Hands in front of your feet. Come on your fingertips. Lift your head up, back is flat. Feet are hip distance apart, toes slightly inwards. Straighten your legs, flatten your back. Open up the shoulder blades, look in front. Keep breathing as you straighten the arms, straighten the legs and straighten the back. Now, Uttita Pada Angushtasana. Hold your big toes. Straighten the arms, bend your knees, rest your chest on your thighs. Lift your head, look up, inhale. On the exhale, push the elbows out, straighten the legs, drop your head fully. Bring your forehead towards your knees. Take at least 3 breaths there. Pull your stomach in as you exhale. 1, 2, and 3. Again, slowly release the hands, bend your knees, fingertips on the mat. Inhale to Ardha Uttanasana. Looking in front, tighten the legs, feel the hips, feel the back. Keep pushing the head forward. One more time. Padangushtasana. Hold your big toes. Bend your knees, rest your chest on your thighs. Straighten the arms, lift your head, look up, inhale. As you exhale, drop your head down. Push the elbows out. Completely straighten the legs, pushing the buttocks up to the ceiling. Take at least 3 breaths there. Inhale and exhale. And slowly release the hands. Stretch your hands in front of you. Keep the legs tight. Inhale, come up all the way. Exhale, release the hands. Now we will sit in Vajrasana. If you need to use a pillow or blanket, please feel free to do so. Sit in Vajrasana. Keep a blanket under your toes, behind your knees, wherever you need to be comfortable. Knees together, try to keep the heels together. Inhale, both hands up, interlock the fingers, turn the palms out, look up at your palms. Pull the arms upwards, pull the shoulders upwards. Press your hips down, straighten the elbows, keep your gaze at your hands. Feel the upper back, feel the sides of the body. Keep breathing as you stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, stretch a little bit more, hands behind the ears. Exhale, bend over to your right side. Keep straightening the arms, keep your head back. You can keep your gaze at the ceiling, straighten the elbows, bend over to the right side. Press both the buttocks down, don't lift it up. Inhale to center, exhale to the other side. Keep breathing as you stay there. Straighten the elbows, push the head back. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, slowly release the hands. Now keep the left hand on the floor or on the brick or on the mat next to you. Right hand up, bend over to the left side. Inhale and exhale, bend over. Hand behind the ear. Keep trying to drop the elbow towards the ground as much as possible. Straighten the right arm and hold it there. Inhale, come back center, other side. Exhale, left hand behind the head, bending over to the left. Bend your elbow, straighten the left arm, bend over to the left side, right side as much as possible. Keep breathing, pull the left shoulder back and straighten the arm. Inhale, come back center and slowly release. Stand up. We'll take the hands behind the back, interlock the fingers, bend your knees, exhale, bending forward, drop the head fully. Try to take the hands over the back, keep your shoulders relaxed, but pull the hands up, drop your head fully. Again, inhale, back bend, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Push the hips forward, drop the head back, open the chest. One more time. Exhale, forward bend fully. You can bend your knees and bend forward. Pull the hands over your head. Again, inhale, come up, push the hands down towards the ground, tighten the legs, push the hips forward, bending backward as much as you can. One last time. Exhale, forward bend. Drop your head, pull the hands, keep the elbows locked. Inhale, back bend as much as possible, all the way, and come back to center. Slowly release the hands, shake the elbows, shake the hands. Mukha-dhoti, 3-4 rounds. Inhale and slow exhale. Bending forward 3-4 times. And start with Surya Namaskar. Front of the mat, feet together, hands by your side, body in a straight line. Pull your stomach in, gently close your eyes, shoulders relaxed and rolled back. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Hands together in Namaskar Sthiti. Eyes gently closed. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna varano satyadharmaya drishtaye. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, stretch the arms, press the palms together, push the hips forward, back bend. Exhale, reaching the hands all the way in front, drop your head down fully, forward bend. Inhale, right leg back, lift the chest up, look up, press the palms down, tighten the right leg, take the left leg back, go to Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha, tighten the knees, heels together, lift the chest up. Adho Mukha, heels down, tighten the arms and legs, push the hips back. Ekapada Prasanasana, right leg all the way in front, chest open. Uttanasana, feet together, head down. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Ravai Namaha. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Dvipada, Ashtanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg forward, inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Bhanave Namaha. Pull backwards little bit more as you inhale to a back bend, Urdhva Hastasana. Uttanasana, drop the head little bit more as you exhale. Pull your stomach in and tighten the legs. Left leg back, Ekapada. Push the hips forward and lift the chest up. Dvipada. Heels together, tighten the legs, keep the body in a straight line. Gaze in front, hold the arms strongly. Ashtanga Namaskara. Don't touch your stomach to the mat. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Push your hips forward, lift the chest up, tighten the legs. Exhale, Adho Mukha. All the way back. Straighten the arms and legs, chest moving in, hips moving back and up. Left leg forward, Ekapada. Uttanasana, try to press your palms fully. Back to center, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Khagaya Namaha. Ekam Dve Treni Chatvari Pancham Shata Sapta. Push back fully. Ashta Ekapada. Nava Dasha. Back to center. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, right leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Inhale, exhale, hold your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, left leg forward, exhale, forward bend. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Once more, reset your body. Straighten the back, tighten the legs, press the heels and ankles together. Press the palms together. Observe your breath. Observe the state of your mind. Elbows parallel to the ground. Om Savitre Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Arkhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 2 rounds. Follow the breath as you move. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Press the palms together, tighten the legs. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Namaskar Sthiti. Take one deep inhale, slow exhale. Again reset the body. From here, Tadasana, Utkatasana. Press the knees together, lift the chest up, hips down, palms pressed together. Uttanasana. Again Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana. Now press the knees tightly together. Press the thighs tightly together. Keep your legs stable. See that both your knees are in the same line. One should not be ahead of the other. Pull your navel in. Lift your chest up. Keep your hands near the ears. Keep straightening the arms. If you can't straighten without pressing the palms, just release the palms and straighten the arms. Look in front. Keep the hips down like you're sitting on a chair. Inhale, and as you exhale, Uttanasana. Palms on the ground, either in front of the feet or beside the feet. Tighten the legs, straighten up. Hips moving up to the ceiling, head down completely. From here, inhale, come up strongly again to Tadasana. Body in a straight line, fingers moving to the ceiling. Lock the elbows, press the palms together. Utkatasana, Uttanasana. Last round, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, and from here go to Adho Mukha. Feet closer to each other. Push the hips back. Straighten the arms. Once more, slowly walk your hands back. in front of your feet. Keep your hands there on the mat, fingertips down. Lift the toes up, press the four corners of the feet. Now pull your hips back, shoulders back, head moving forward. Flatten the back again, Ardha Uttanasana. Stay there. Stay in Ardha Uttanasana. Pull your stomach in. Keep tightening the legs. Keep your gaze in front. Arms are straight. Observe your abdominal muscles as you breathe. Shoulders should be relaxed and away from the ears. Keep looking in front. And from here, slowly bend your knees, both the knees. Keep the head up, keep looking in front. Inhale, take your right leg straight up behind you. And slowly straighten the left leg, straighten the right leg. Don't shift your weight to one side. Weight is equal in both the hands. Keep looking in front. Keep tightening your right leg, back flat. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the right leg down. Bend both your knees. Keep looking in front. Once more, Ardha Uttanasana. Straighten the legs. Look in front. Flatten the back. Shoulders relaxed. Again, bend your knees. This time take the left leg behind you straight up and slowly straighten the right leg completely. Straighten the left leg. Weight is equal in both the arms. Look in front. Keep tightening the left leg. Don't turn the hip out. Hip is facing the mat. Push the heel behind you and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly leg down. Once more, reset to Ardha Uttanasana. Back straight up. Keep looking in front. Stretch your hands in front of you. Inhale, come up. Again, exhale without support this time. Keep the legs tight and come to Ardha Uttanasana. Stretch the hands out. Keep your head in line with the arms. Keep pulling the fingertips forward. Tighten the legs. Neck is in line with your spine. Back flat. Halfway down. Pull your abdomen in. Observe the abdomen as you breathe. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly hands down. Sit down in Shashankasana and relax. Arms down, forehead down. Just relax for a few seconds in Shashankasana. Stretch your hands out in front. Tuck your toes in. And from here, pushing backward strongly with the arms, lift your hips up to Adho Mukha. We'll do this 3 times. Bend your knees. Don't touch the mat. Keep the hips pushing back like you're coming to Shashankasana. Look up, inhale. Exhale, push back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, inhale, head up, look between the hands as you bend your knees, drop your knees towards the mat. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. One last time, lift your head up, inhale. As you bend your knees, keep pushing the hips back. Exhale, head moving down. Drop your heels nicely. Open up the shoulder blades. Pull the shoulders towards your wrist. Now from here, inhale, take the right leg straight up. Keep the left leg straight. Pull the right leg behind you, toes pointed out. Straighten the arms, press strongly in the palms. Inhale and bring the right foot in the center of both the hands. Left knee down. Keep the toes tucked in. Keep the hands on your right knee or right thigh. Push the hips forward, shoulders open, chest open. Turn the toes out in the left foot now. Keep breathing as you stay there. 1, 2, feel that left hip as you pull forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come to Kapotasana. Take the right knee down on the mat here in front of you. Drop the left hip towards the right heel. Fingertips on either side of the knee. Lift your chest up. Inhale. On the exhale, forehead down on the mat. Stretch your hands out. Keep the left hip on the right heel and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly walk the hands back and come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the heels down, push the hips back. Keep breathing as you stay there. Inhale, take the left leg straight up to the ceiling. Point your toes, push the chest backwards, tighten the right leg. Keep breathing as you lift up the left leg and straighten both the legs. Inhale, left foot in the center all the way. Drop the right knee, hands on your left thigh, shoulders and chest open. Push the hip forward, lift up the head, lift up the chest, keep opening backwards. Turn the toes out in the right foot. Feel the right hip. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From there, turn the left leg down to Kapotasana. You can use a blanket under your left hip or the left buttock. If you need to, straighten out the right leg behind you. Right hip moving towards the left heel on your fingertips. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, pull forward, drop your forehead down, hands in front. Keep pressing on that left hip and the right hip pushing downwards. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly move the hands back. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take 2-3 breaths. Relax the breathing. Relax the body. Observe the state of your legs. Observe the hips on either side. And slowly drop your knees down. Take a small break in Shashankasana. Relax, elbows down, head down. 3-4 breaths there. Take a break. Relax the body. Relax the arms. Again, stretch the arms out. Tuck your toes in. Come back to Adho Mukha. Straighten the legs. Push the hips back. Once more. Inhale. Right leg straight up. On the exhale, bend the right knee behind you. Open up the right hip. Push the knee up towards the ceiling. Turn your upper body slightly to the right side. Look under the right arm at the ceiling. Keep opening up the right hip. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Straighten up the right leg again and bring it in the center in front. From here, keep the right knee bent, move the right hand half a foot in front, come to Ardha Chandrasana. Lift up the left leg, left hand on the hip, turn your body to the left side, head back, chest and hip open, slowly straighten both the legs. Just have to stay there, don't have to lift up your left hand. Press the right big toe nicely, tighten the left leg, head back, hip open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly leg down, Ekapada, and come back to Adho Mukha. Once more, relax your breath and body in Adho Mukha. Straighten the legs. Observe the difference in the right leg and the left leg. Inhale, slow exhale. Now as you inhale, take the left leg straight up to the ceiling. Point the toes. Straighten the right leg. Tighten the arms, keep it strong. Bend the left knee, left foot behind you, pointing the toes. Left knee open, turn slightly to the left side, look at the ceiling under the left arm. Knee up, hip opening up. Keep breathing, keep the arms strong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, straighten the left leg and exhale, bring it forward in the center between the hands. Drop your right knee, keep the knee bent, take the left hand half a foot in front and slowly come to Ardha Chandrasana. Right hand on the hip, turn the body open to the right side, slowly straighten both the legs. Don't have to lift your hand, just keep turning the hip open. Tighten the right leg, tighten the left leg, head back, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly leg down, Ekapada, come back to Adho Mukha. Once more, observe the right leg, right hip, left hip. See what are the sensations in each side. From here, inhale, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha and Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana, few seconds. Normal breathing. Slow down your breath. Relax the body. And slowly come up and sit on your mat. Sit in front, legs open as well. If you have a belt with you, you can use the belt. Legs open, Upavishta Konasana as wide as possible. Keep your hands on the mat behind you. Push the hip open, tighten the legs, press the back of the knees on the ground, toes up. Just straighten your back, shoulders back. Look in front, chin parallel to the ground. Keep tightening the legs on the ground, rotate the thighs outwards. Press the buttocks and hips down, lift the spine up. Keep breathing and stay for 3-4 breaths there. Observe your legs, observe the hips as you breathe. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, rotate the legs outward and tighten the legs, pressing on the ground. 3 more breaths. Inhale and exhale, observing the hips and the legs mainly as you exhale. Now from here, inhale, both hands straight up. Keep the back straight, keep the legs open. Turn the thighs outwards, straighten both the arms, lock the elbows. Keep your gaze slightly up at the ceiling. Don't drop your head fully. Just slightly look up at the ceiling. Point your fingers upwards. Feel the sensations in the side of your hips, lower back, all your buttock muscles, back of the thighs. Keep breathing. Stay there. Inhale, and as you exhale with the left hand on the left elbow inside the left knee, hold the left foot, right hand on the hip, just twist the body nicely to the right side, twisting the chest, keep the toes up, press both the buttocks down, open the chest nicely, stay there for 3 breaths, keep using the left elbow as an anchor to twist the body. Now inhale, right hand up, take it behind the ear, straighten the arm out, don't have to hold the foot, just keep it straight. Drop the back of the head towards the knee and look up at your upper right arm, upper part of the right arm. Straighten the arm, stay there, keep pressing the right leg down, keep breathing. Inhale, come back center, once more, straighten both the arms, straighten your lower back especially. On the exhale, bend towards the right leg, elbow outside the knee, hold your foot as much as possible or use a belt here if you need to. And left hand on the hip, nicely press the buttocks down, press the knees down, twist the chest open towards the left side, look up at the ceiling. Keep twisting using that elbow. Breathe, observe the sensations in the lower back, sides of the body. And now inhale, take the left hand up, straight behind the head. Drop your head, back of the head towards the left, right knee. Look up at the ceiling and straighten the left arm, straighten the legs. Keep twisting the chest as you exhale. Hold it for 3-4 breaths. Don't hold your breath, keep breathing. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch the arms a little bit more. On the exhale, keeping the back straight, keeping the chin up, slowly drop your fingertips in front. Keep the head up, toes up. Just walk the fingers in front as much as you can. And keeping the forehead parallel to the ground, pull the spine forward and slowly keep dropping the head towards the floor. If you can go down all the way, go ahead. Otherwise, just stay there. Fingertips stretched in front. Drop your head towards the floor. Don't shrug your shoulders, but shoulders pulling forward. Spine is long. Buttocks pressing down. Legs and thighs on the ground. The thigh bones pushing backwards. Keep breathing. Feel the sensation in the legs, in the lower back, in the hips. And slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Just bend your left knee inwards. Both hands up. Inhale. On the exhale, turn towards the right foot and hold the right foot, dropping your forehead to the knee, bending towards the right leg. Hold it there. If you need to use the belt, go ahead, use the belt so that you can stretch the spine and get a nice forward bend here. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, straighten out the left leg to the side slowly. Bend the right knee in. Hands up, inhale, turn your body towards the left leg. You can use your belt or your hands. Take it around the foot. Press the right knee down. Pull the top of the head towards your foot. Drop your face towards the knee. Keep breathing. Stay for a few seconds. Bend the elbows towards the ground. 3-4 breaths there. Again, slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release the right leg and bring both the legs together. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, hands up. On the exhale, first hold the top of your toes. Head up, chin up. Keep the feet together. Lower the shoulders away from the ears. Pull the lower back forward. Keep the spine straight. Keep your head up to start with. Inhale, and as you exhale, pull your stomach in, hands around the feet, bend your elbows towards the ground and slowly start dropping your head towards your knee or your shin. Top of the head moving towards the feet. Keep pulling your stomach in as you exhale, creating more space to go down. Keep breathing. Inhale, lengthen the spine all the way from the lower back. Exhale, pull your stomach in, go down little bit more. And slowly release the hands. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Just lie down on your back. Stretch your legs out. Hug only the right knee in first, holding near the ankle. Straighten the left leg. Pull the right knee in nicely towards the shoulder. Hold it there for a few seconds. Straighten the right leg. Hold at the ankle if you can. Keep the leg straight. Interlock your fingers behind the right ankle. Keep your chin down and nicely straighten both the knees, both the legs. Tighten the kneecaps. Stretching the hamstring, back of the leg. Keep breathing, pushing the elbows outwards. And slowly release the right leg. Straighten out the right leg on the mat. Hold the left leg near the ankle and pull the left knee in Ekapada Pavanamuktasana. Knee towards the shoulder. Keep tightening the right leg and hug the left knee in as much as possible. Keep breathing as you stay there. And slowly straighten the left leg, hold behind the ankle, interlock the fingers, tighten both the kneecaps and straighten both the legs as much as possible. Keep your chin down, don't stress your neck by pushing the chin up. Bend the elbows. Pull your leg closer towards your face. Feel the stretch all the way from the buttocks right up to the heel. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath anywhere. And slowly exhale. Release. Hands to the side. Bend your knees. Keep your feet wider than hip distance. Inhale and drop both the knees to the right side. Turn your head to the left. Hold it there. Keep pushing the left knee away from the body. Drop the right knee nicely to the ground. Drop the left knee also if you can on the ground. And push the knee away from you. Slowly inhale, come back center. Exhale, drop it to the other side. Turn your head completely to the right side. Try to drop both the knees to the ground. This time push the right knee away from the body. The shoulders will stay on the ground. Keep breathing. Observe the hips. Observe the lower back. The sides of the body. Inhale, come back center, straighten your legs out, palms facing up, just relax for a few seconds and then we'll do some pranayama. Slowly bend your knees, turning from the right side, come and sit up. Sit in any comfortable position, back straight, you can support against the wall. Hands in Namaskara Mudra, eyes gently closed. One inhale, slow exhale. Pranasedam vashe sarvam Pritiveya pratishtitam Mateva putran rakshasva Shriksha pragyanksha videhi naiti. Chin Mudra, back straight, eyes closed. 5 Omkaras. Inhale. Continue on your own, 4 more rounds. Inhale. Last round, breathe in. Slowly stop. Keep your back straight, feel the vibrations. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand Anunasaka Mudra. Right thumb close the right nostril. Inhale through left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue on your own, few more rounds. 2 minutes, continue. Keep straightening the back. Awareness fully on the breath. Slowly complete by exhaling from the left nostril. Exhale fully from the left nostril. Hands in Chin Mudra. Observe the breath on both the nostrils. Brahmari Pranayam, 5 rounds. Inhale. Continue on your own. Last round. Slowly stop. Feel the vibrations. Observe your breath. Observe the state of your mind. Keeping your eyes closed. Slowly lie down on your mat. Stretch your legs out. Feet wider. Toes turned out. Hands by your sides. Keep your chin down. Eyeballs rolled back. Keep your gaze behind the forehead. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Relax the lower back. Relax the hips. Keep the hips loose. Keep both your legs completely relaxed. Both your hands completely relaxed. All the muscles in the face relaxed. The top of your head, the skull, scalp region relaxed. Neck and shoulders relax. As you exhale, feel the weight of the body growing heavier, sinking into the ground. Just watch your breath, follow your breath as you inhale and as you exhale. to your body, back to your breath. Gently move your fingers and toes. Inhale, bend your left leg. As you exhale, turn to the right side. Keep your head on the right hand. Support yourself with the left hand. Slowly come up to a sitting position. Eyes remain closed. Back is straight. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhagave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Do Namanasana. Inhale, come up, rub your palms together as hard as you can. Feel the heat between the palms, that is the energy you have created within the body. Take it back into your own body, press the palms on your eyes. Inhale, and as you exhale, look into your hands and open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubha.